Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to allow WhatsApp application to show your contact name in application. It's almost same no matter which phone you're using. Just go to settings, find your applications, click on apps or applications. You can find it on the list of application or just type search, find WhatsApp application, click on that. Click on permissions, find contacts, click on that and click allow. That is all. Go to WhatsApp application and check, you will see your contact name. That is all. Thank you for watching. Click subscribe and notification bell.